Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you're all in good health and are doing great. Thank you for all the love and support that you guys always give me. I'm really thankful to all of you. Today's video is going to be about this look, a very dewy, glowy pink look, because it's winter and a lot of us love doing pink in winter, like pink sweaters and jackets and even caps. So I thought that I'll do a very easy yet dramatic pink look that'll just take 15 to 20 minutes to achieve. So yeah, let's just begin, and do like the video and do subscribe. I want this look to be really glowy, so I'll be moisturizing my face very well. I'll be using rose water and then I'll be using Flexion hypoallergenic lotion to moisturize my face. You can use any moisturizer that is suitable for your skin. Then I'll be using Beautiful by Amna's Porfade primer. Now to make this makeup look really glowy, before applying foundation, I will use this Illuminator by Rimmel. It is in the shade Pink Glow. I will apply it all over my face and you will see the difference that it will make. I'm using this flat brush to blend it. Now I don't want this look to be very cakey and too heavy, so I'm using this foundation by Sephora. It is light to medium coverage and it will serve the purpose. If you follow me and you are a regular viewer, you would know that this is one of my favorite foundations because I have acne prone skin and this is the best foundation if you have oily or acne prone skin. Though it is light to medium coverage, you can even build it up. Then I'll be using this concealer by Maybelline. It is also light to medium coverage, it's not so heavy and it will not make my face very cakey. Now let's move towards eye makeup. It is going to be unbelievably easy, you will see. These days I like to do my eye makeup with the eyeshadow tape on. It makes it very edgy and I like my eye makeup that way. Now I wanted the eye makeup to be very peachy and pink, and for that I chose a peach colored Maybelline lipstick. You can apply it directly or you can apply it with a brush. Now you know you can even use your lipsticks as your eye shades. Then I'm going to use this light pink shade for blending. I'm going to take this another shade of pink just to add color to the eyelids. I'm going to take these two shades of pink and I'm going to apply it on my under eye area. And then I'll be applying kajal in my waterline. This is the simple Hashmi kajal, and well, that's it. We're almost done. Just a bit of a highlight on my brow bone, eyeliner, some mascara, and that's it. You see how easy it was. If you want a detailed tutorial on eyeliner, you can check that out. I uploaded it and I explained it in detail, which liners are my favorite and how do I apply them. to take this loose powder by Beautify by Amna, and I'm just going to dust it off all over my face. I'm not going to place it anywhere for a longer time because I want this look to be glowy and I do not want to eliminate the effect of that illuminator, so I'm just going to dust it off right away. The blush I'm using is by Body Shop. It is also one of my favorite blushes. This is a very light pink peachy shade and you have to build it up. It is not highly pigmented, but it is a very good product for daily use. So for highlighter today, I used this creamy eye shade by Top Face, and you can see how beautiful it turned out. Now you know how you can use different makeup products for different purposes. So that was it for today's makeup look. I really hope that you liked it and I hope that you will try it as well. This can even be your go-to look if you are a pink lover like me. Please do leave your feedback and do subscribe to my channel. Until next time, Allah Hafiz.